Hello mga bebe! Tayo na! Let's claim our 5,000. Okay, this is from 100 VIPs. May direct invites na nag-VIP. So, bibigyan tayo ni company ni A+ ng free 5,000 pesos. Okay, let's have this na. Okay, right now I have 90,853. And then, let's just go here sa My. Nasa My na tayo. Then, click natin itong parang calendar. Itong color green. And, let's have this. Okay. And, ta-da-dan! Heto na! Okay, let's claim! 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Oh, mali. Ta-da! Loading. Ayun na! 5,000! And let's have this. Balik tayo sa My. Oh, wow! 100,000 na tayo mga beshi! Yay! Praise God! Thank you! Tap, tap! Mwah! And sa team ko, Aja, let's do this. No pressure. Let's do our best. Okay, gawin lang natin yung work natin, yung part natin as employees sa company na to. Okay, let's do our task. 15 minutes to 20 minutes per day. Aja, goodbye. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.